Nnamdi Kanu. I told them on the one podcast and I said they leave him. Me, I go buy him. Why they want to leave him? How? I repeated it on the one podcast. So I said, now my job to give you expo. If he will only live long if he stays inside there. I must buy him. Let them try it. I'm telling the presidency now, in order to avoid anarchy in Igbo land, that guy will buy there. Nnamdi Kanu, must buy there. Okay? In order to avoid anarchy, as they gave him life imprisonment, he must serve his life imprisonment. And without parole. Without parole. With all these things that happened. Did Nnamdi Kanu tell them to cut off Matador's pension or not? Eh? He is from Mbutuzo, is from Umutanze. Those of you from Osu, did Nnamdi Kanu tell them to commot Matador prick or not? And after he told them to bury him alive. Matador was buried alive on the order of Nnamdi Kanu. Direct order of Nnamdi Kanu. He said, Ijele, please don't expose your intention in amu. In amu. If that why I won't kill you in the hide the secret. The only Lord I don't match him. You match him, you must collect. So there is, he don't match the high tension. Where in they go? You people don't know what terrorism is. Oh, buying a terrorist, no job, no law hold you. No law hold you if you buy a terrorist. So me, I don't follow on the price go to one part and I'm going to tell what boy I need. Only see not put up. Record me, cut this place. Now what Nnamdi Kanu what boy I need, what boy on work and what you say. Those of us say, oh, we love Nnamdi Kanu. Get ready. The quality open na mabugi man obu. No, like line up where like no shishin get the way. If you baby if you baby here before. Also you go buy your people. We na Igbo. Una say we go see all the kishi they maybe unu all the kara na abu ni. All the kara na abu. All the kishi they maybe unu thunder na fire unu. Like you know chena unu be na ko edi unu na ko edi. Oh, leave him. What did he do? Don't worry. Don't worry. I pray may they leave him. I pray may they. You see Sahara reporter, stand Showore say if they want trial, make him stand for that gate. Me, I go fire him first. If I don't do, I make I die. Memo to me. Tell him, copy this one, go tell him. Say anybody will say him mama born and where, they near him that day. Make them free him, just they near him for that day. If I no fire you, you go be victim of the intra-Igbo civil war. This is Igbo civil war in case you don't know. Oh, on a thing only one side go carry go ya thunder about we do no better. You say you don't have right to buy, don't worry, come and become let the court declare you a terrorist, then we will explain it to you very well. Okay? Let the court declare you a terrorist, then you come out. That is when you will know where our power is coming from. Your brother Bukwegi. Iyafo is like Ezala Bukwegi, Iyafa Muku Gebunu Nile Nganne ha. Man. This one don't even know how to write. You are beating more than you can do. Just after you are copy. I said, go and become a terrorist. Go to the court. Tell them you are an IPOB member and they will declare you a terrorist. Tell them that you bet with somebody. Make they pronounce you terrorist, then let you pass that gate. See if I know you. Make I use you, starter. Make I teach you law. Show me the law. I go show you the law. I will show you the grave. Like, try. Tell on a politician say now we they talk. Rescue an Igbo. We don't sign now. No, abuna buru mada agi buya. If na me, by me. If na me, by me, anybody, work by person, you must buy. Any other way I get shake where. Whomever you are, Ojukwu get lock. Ojukwu, I for Ojukwu. Tell Bianca say her husband get lock. Onwe lock, one. Nana him for explain himself very well. You see that way you go Akokwa, November 1969. Go the light to 2 months before you run away. 2 months before you run away. Go Akokwa, go they tell people. Say they don't buy Nigerian troops. Say they don't stop oil flow. Biafra Air Force do this one. Nye. 2 months later, he ran away. Abu not didn't do. Kita Koka cover that video. Please, somebody type Ojukwu in Akokwa. You see that 419 where you do those people. Now for explain them very well. Let any of his children come around for any office. Bianca, the way go do call Nerina. Bianca, the way go do call. Yeah, the way go do minister on Neri. Every generation, one bad will come. Every generation, one fool will come. Chikoron the mad will stay their lives. Chikoro youth, and it is usually the youth they are wasting. It is usually the youth they are wasting. Each generation, come also they have. Fear. Beba na korom. One day bukwe gidie. Fulkunu gada ko idia. One day buchaku unu. Go watch the video. Let me even show you. Let me show you. Let me type Ojukwu in Akokwa on YouTube now so you people will see it. Ojukwu speech in Akokwa. See it here now. Now the video here. Kuno nu do nyoshi. First off, person was saying they were. See as in beer smooth. See as in beer smooth. The bomber this thing overall when you wear. One the walk condo better. See how the clothes where you wear the iron arm. One the first corner around the mud. See how they iron the clothes when you wear. Now watch when people begin clap after I talk. Watch how you look them. He shocked, said they believe her. See the way he shocked, said they believe her. Asumo Koko see the way you look them. So I believe him. See match on young men, Monday Mado. People, children, match on. See him be as he fresh. See his uniform as the iron and even straight past this one while I wear. If I pay for unu, Agwamono nunu gaju ekwensu. Na ọrụ ya niile, na mpako ya niile, n'ihe efu nke ụwa ọjọọ nka, na agụ mmehie niile nke dị n'anụ ahụ. Iju ekwensu iju ya ka ndị Anglican. Okay? Iju ekwensu iju ya ka ndị Anglican. Ndị Anglican ọsị gịnị ị ga-aga ma jụ ekwensu na ọrụ ya niile, na mpako ya niile, na ihe efu nke ụwa ọjọọ nka, na agụ mmehie niile nke dị n'anụ ahụ. He got you Biafra, he got you Ojukwu, he got you Wazurike, he got you Nnamdi Kanu. Do every single thing that has to do with Biafra because it has always been a fraud. Are you hearing it? March on, heroes of our fatherland. 2 months before he ran away. Was there a time 2 months to the war that Biafra soldiers were winning at any front? Name the front. Name that front they were winning in 1969. By the time he was talking now, he's making this noise. He has lost the full OAU. Ojukwu and Umuahia. He has lost all of them. The troops, the 3rd Marine Commando has circled this Uguta side. They've collected River State. November 1969, I'm telling you, the 3rd Marine Commando has broken every resistance in the current day Rivers and Bayelsa states. There was no fighting there anymore. Still, they would refuse to surrender. Went to Akokwa to recruit more people. Today, people from Akokwa are still crying. Oh, why they did? See that went and recruited your people when he has already lost the war. They will never be in the front. This is the same thing. Today, have you seen Butus on the front? Go to that Osuhitokwa bush. Everywhere is smelling dead body. Dead bodies everywhere. It smells everywhere. But then the light on, I said they know they buy them. When I not see that video, will come out from Osubo. Shebi on I see said the gravestones where they inside that their camp for but there. So all of them they knew. Eh? You Shebi see the gravestones, they knew. They put their names there. Now those kind useless names where they answer. They are not touching Amen. Who be those people who will mark their graves? Now it is a victims, they mark their graves like that. Wait, make I show you what I mean. Same way, they no go come out to Ndoshi. Unu ne cham nesti, unu ga afu ihe. Tonda ga bobu nine. Tonda ga bobu nine didi. You see of people. Make I show on a video. Where this video there? Those videos go there far. I be one show now where the bodies dey. Ndoshi. Then go just go hide. But the video too dey far. They will never lead from the front. They will never. I beg, Butuzo, Kanu Bosai na Periano. Carry your men, come make a camera. Shebi they carry me, they call the dance. Ndara. Nuna bia bwe. Carry your men, come make a carry my men come now. Eh? I person. Carry your men, come make a carry my. I na Periana full mark. I challenge you, take one post. And I Peria, you and B44 with your men. In fact, all of you join yourselves together one side. We will go there one side. Kapi di Kenya. Eh? Kaibwari to go to Niobere, Kaibwari to a small Majai. Those of you foolish people that are sending the money from abroad, una fugo de gunu la rohe. Una fugo de gunu furun ketenab. Nendu jaba. Now this was one conflict nice. Hi, na mistake we happened yesterday. I for no say them put law. Say if you shoot for my place now 10,000. Eh? Akama to kwasi ya nenu 20 something minutes. Mwa karene no. Mwa komba ibube ya. Mbu megidezi vanquisha na adazi ada. Ikwa say man am bullet karere. Abu na mo. Agare Chideke bo. Where my dear. We akama for year and first. Akama near. Don't go down my promise you because like ndogwa ebere begburu ndogwa yesterday because I da ka echewere di jajajaja onye obuna n'ọkụ na-agba n'umuduru aka o kwesịrị ịdị anụ na odogwu natara ọka o kwesịrị na abụ ihe mkpọrọ ana okay abụghị mkpọ na ana bụ for ndị old school no ị na-anụ sound ya ị na-anụ sound ị na-agba nke anyị na-anụ na that tape bụkwa ọnọkwa fa were n'azụ ụlọ ka a na-agba that thing ọ na-akụ jajajab yotago my brother said that because we ka ndị mmadụ nwere nke said happen unu adozina m aka n'akwa unu adozina like ka m were onye ayi otu ọ dị m yesterday mmadụ rahakwara ụra n'abalị ahụ ma na ọ bụghị ọ ndị agadi nwaanyị ka m mere ebere if not or like till now sound aka na-ebe na nwe na ntị ndị ọbụla ana m achọ onye ngeji eme example ana m achọ ụmụ mgbada nna kele nke a ga-anọzi n'ala Igbo ebe nchọfụ n'ụbọdịzi na-achọkwa ịchụ mmadụ ọsọ na be gị you say Ijele, I use your bingos will not fight Yambaba. Now you do that. They don't do that. They threaten them already. That they don't. I'm sure some of their politicians will be calling him. Me, I don't talk with you. I talk. Nothing will stop the truth from getting out. Nothing will stop the truth from getting out. Nothing. No human being. No power. No body. Okay? Nothing don't happen to I-Pension and the BC. The one where they answer Biafra or nothing. Now you don't buy. We're saying give him father 7 days. You know, no say himself, no get 5 days self. One also one go better about these people. What there? About that. What there? Afghan pem. Kene. Uswamambe one. Uswamambe. Just kahana majadana. You see the current operation ongoing in Alibu. It will get to every single local government, and I know you people. Okay, choose this local government will go next. Please choose the next local government you want us to go. Name it. Name the local government. Name the LGA you want us to go. Arondi Zog and Okigwe. That's the that or north. And Okigwe, right? LGA, which one will it be first? I'm just kind of thinking, should it be Njaba / Mbitoli or Idato / Okigwe? But any operation in Okigwe should get to Onimo. Makani Ikechi Ikeje Benunine. Eh? I'm thinking. Because Oto I know Apia Osuna. I think some people say Okigwe. One in Jaba. And Okigwe Akariana. Okay. The data not / Okigwe. Well, I'm going to bring it up. Umulolo, that is Okigwe now. How Okigwe don't pass. No Okigwe Akaria. Asia, no. Asia should feel the heat, but that one is Anambra. It's a 302 battalion. That should do that one. Orumba South, no, that one is 302 battalion. Don't worry, I'm compiling files of Anambra. I'm in close communication with somebody very close to the governor. It's up to in fact, Anambra, most of the Anambra jobs should be police work. Yes. But this one where Anambra get a commissioner of police, where say IPOB is not a violent. I don't understand how a person will go the wasting time when even the commissioner don't know he work. Where commissioner no commissioner of police, they talk say like if the commissioner of police is not even aware of what essence is it gathering all those intel. You said then they umunza and obado. Gentle get when in the go umunza na abi the no. Make I give you the name of the hotel where gentle they go for umunza. He there for Kigo Road for umunza. The hotel there for Kigo Road for umunza, and I know the owner. Okay.